May nagsabi, may papalit na raw kay Kraken, Junmar Fajardo. Sino? Yan ang abangan nyo sa vlog na to.
As a coach, hindi lang tayo concerned sa mga winning plays, but pati sa safety at well-being ng mga players natin. That's why we only recommend equipment na affordable, effective, at safe para sa kanila.
Hi mga kabola, this is Coach R, your basketball analyst and sports equipment reviewer. Tama niya rinig nyo, may papalit na kay Junmar Fajardo. At ang pangalan niya ay QMB, short for Quintin Meliora Brown. May nagbulong lang sa atin. Lalaro yan sa UP, is UAP season. Nung sinabi nila sa akin yan, tingnan ko agad yung highlights. At na-excite talaga ako. Pwede nga mga kabola. Kaya dito sa vlog na to, kilalanin muna natin sino si QMB, analyze natin yung mga moves niya, at sabay-sabay nating alamin kung ito na ba talaga ang next Kraken.
Quintin Meliora Brown is a Phil-Am from Norton, Virginia. He has Filipino heritage in his mother's side. His grandfather studied in UPPGH, thus the reason for his transfer to UP in the upcoming UAP season for his graduate studies. He is also a mechanical engineer by training. The 6'10", 250-pound cager initially dabbled into fencing, like his father, who was a professional fencer, before focusing on basketball due to his height. He started his NCAA college career in Rice, but blossomed in Vanderbilt under coach Jerry Stackhouse. One of his college teammates at Vanderbilt was Scottie Pippen Jr. Last season, he transferred to the Citadel Bulldogs, where he nearly averaged a double-double in points and rebounds, 11 and 9. Throughout his over 150 college games, Quintin had an impressive field goal percentage of nearly 60%.
Now, let's check out QMB's highlights and compare it versus our favorite Abay, Junmar Fajardo.
If you with it, drop it.
Whether we like it or not, tumatanda na si Abay. 34 na siya at kukonti na lang ang playing years niya. Dapat talaga may pumalit na sa kanya sa PBA at sa Gilas din. Sa current lineup kasi ng players ngayon, wala pang pwedeng pumalit. Meron mga sumubok pero hindi ginaya. Si QMB, based sa scouting natin, ay magaling na player. May tira sa labas at may galaw din sa ilalim. Kaya din makipagbanggaan sa loob, parang si Kraken. Ang mahirap lang pantayan kay Abay ay yung temperament at sportsmanship niya. Hindi talaga napipikon. Yan na nga siguro ang tatak na Junmar Fajardo na forever hindi mapapalitan at makakalimutan.